Right, so la, so with probability, that includes a tree diagram, right? So the question goes as follows: two cards are selected at random without replacement from a standard a pack of cards. The standard pack of cards has 52 cards, excluding abo joker. No? Kushuthi lo 52 khandiwa yini 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 sokuba uJ uK uQ, right? So kwenza 13 o heart, 13 o spade, 13 diamond, 13 pull fly, right? Sure. So question ifunda kanje: find the probability that the cards are of the same color, right? We know ukuthi amakhadi they have red and they have black. So bathi lana two cards are selected. Chaza ukuthi la ngibona amakhadi ami red and black hits. So nanka amakhadi la ngazi noma abonakala yini kuno red no black. So yini into eyenzakalayo lana ke ngiyashova amakhadi, two cards are selected. Ngiyaliselect ikhadi, ngiyalibeka. Then this is event number 1. Event number 2, I select another card, ngiyalibeka. Sure. So manje lana since bathe they looking for a probability that the cards are of the same color. Because what's okay here we have this person la. I-probability my ekhipha card, right? Probability my ekhipha card. Kungenzeka ikhadi libe red, kungenzeka ikhadi libe black. So chaza ukuthi we have two options, right? We have two possible outcomes. So kungenzeka kube ubalana, kungenzeka kube u-red, kungenzeka kube ubani u-black. So we should also write probabilities la. Probabilities, how many red cards are there in a standard deck of cards? There are 26. So 26 la. Out of how many cards? There are 52 cards. Sibuye size la. How many cards are black? There are 26. Out of how many cards? Out of 52. Kumele mohlanganisa lo nalo uthole bani 1, because this is probability and the total probability ubani 1. Right. Sibuye size lana ke. And this is the first event, drawing the first card. If you draw the first card, before you can even draw the card, we are check ukuthi possible outcome in red or black. Ama chances ukuthi mangikhipha ikhadi ngathola red awu 26. Ama chances ukuthi mangikhipha ikhadi ngathola black awu 26. Let's say ikhadi lokuqala esilikhipha li red silibeke eceleni. Right. So chaza ukuthi mase ngibuyela ngiyoshova futhi. Ngiyoshova. Ama possible outcome yini? Kungenzeka futhi ngithole bani u-red. Kungenzeka ngithole bani u-black. Right? Isafubhala nishandise. Kungenzeka ngithole u-red noma u-black. Right? So manje ama chances ukuthi ngithole u-red awungakhi, because ikhadi li-red eli-1 alisekho. Ama chances asewungakhi? Asewu-25. Amakhadi wonke mayisaphelele abo 52 manje asewungakhi? Asewu-51. Okay, let's say lana ke mangibuyela emakhadini, lamakhadi la, probability of getting a black card, amakhadi a-black awungakhi lana? Still asasewu-26, because we didn't take out ikhadi eli-black. Out of amakhadi awungakhi? Amakhadi aseyashota sobani? So-51. Right? Okay. So manje sesabuya ke sizala la. Let's say the time is keeper like qaleni sibuyisele emuva. The time is keeper kuphuma ikhadi elinjani? Eli-black. Right? So mase ngibuyela ngiyoshova. La kule standard deck of cards, there are still black cards and also there are still red cards. So chaza uma ngibuyela, possible outcome could be red and also it can be black. Right? So manje since ngikhiphile li-1, ama chances ukuthi ngithole u-red awungakhi? U-red akaphumanga. So ama chances ngithole u-red awungakhi? Awu-26. But amakhadi aseyashoda. Shuthi kuba lana u-51. Right. Ama chances ukuthi ngithole u-black la awungakhi? Awu-25. Out of amakhadi awungakhi? awu-51, right? So kahle kahle chaza ukuthi lana sinani ke manje ke we have red, we have RR, red blue, RB, blue red, BR, BB, like BB. So since we draw a tree diagram, this will help us answer the question. Find the probability that the cards are of the same color. Same color meaning it should be like Umang Valana, same color. It should be same color, same color, same color, same color. Mang it's the same color. It should be red, or it should be black. So we are going to say or. Once we have or, meaning that we should add, right? So because we see the probability of same color would be same color will be probability of, right? Probability of, okay, same color will just be 26 over 52 multiplied by, because red. So this one multiplied by that one. 26 over 52 multiplied by 25 over 51, right? Plus blue, same color, plus 26 over 52, and then multiply by 25 over 51. So the events, they are mutually exclusive, because you won't find a card that will be black and also that will be red. So now it's a matter of using the calculator and then finding the answer. I should have paused the video, but kodwa ke sekuphelile ke masekunje. Multiply by 25 over 51. So it's 25 over 51, which is 0.49. 0.49. So kumele ukwazi ukubona ukuthi uncipha kuphi. So this is how we'll answer. So let's go to example number 2. Okay, so example number 2. Hope you have they are failing, you know. A study of numbers of male and female offspring. It is found that the first child in any family is equally likely to be male or female. The first child equally likely to be male or female. And the probability that they will be of the same sex as the previous child is 3 over 5. So if the child is male, the probability that the second child will be male is 3 over 5. Or if the child is female, the probability that the child will be female is 3 over 5. Okay, so I think we should draw a tree diagram for this one, no? Tree diagram for this one, just to be sure. Okay, now tree diagram it will. So the first event will be the first child. So the first child will be male or female. Then the second child will be male or also female. Male and female. So this is the second event, this is the first event, right? Okay. So where is the blue one? So the probability that the first child will be male or female. The first child in any family is equally likely to be male or female. Equally likely, so mean that the probability that it's going to be male is going to be 1 over 2. Probability that's going to be female is going to be 1 over 2. Equally likely, 50%, 50%, 0.5, 0.5. Yeah? Yes. So now the probability that they will be of the same sex as the previous child is 3.5, 3 over 5. So same sex will be 3 over 5. So since this one is male, meaning that it's going to be 3 over 5 la. So since it's 3 over 5, kumele kwenze ubalana 1. So qala kuzoba 2 over 5. So the probability that the child will be of the same sex as the previous one, since this is female, this is female also same sex, so this one will be 3 over 5, and then this one will be 2 over 5. So that is going to make 1. Right. So this is how we draw a Venn diagram. So we should find the probability that the first child is female. First child is female. So this child is female. So it doesn't matter if the second child is male or not, and it doesn't matter if the second child is male or not. So as long as the first child is female, we should write down the probabilities. So the probability that first child female will equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5. 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5. Female, yabo. So lana ukhetha ubhale la MM, MF, FM, FM. So we're looking for the first child female. So FM, sorry, this would be FF, right? First child female, first child female. Lezo two again. Kungena lo plus lo. So it's going to be plus 1 over 2 times 3 over 5. Then shall I calculate kolana totally answer. Right? So now let's go for the second question. First two children will be female. First two will be female. Probability. So this is male. Also, this is out. This also is out. This also is out because the first two should be female. It's only the last part. First two female. So probability of first two female will equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 5 because it's FF. So it's 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 5 and then Mrs. Tole answer lana. So lana again it's going to be 0.5 times 0.5 times 2 over 5 plus 0.5 times 3 over 5. So now it's going to be 1 over 2, 0.5. Then it's 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5 is going to be 3 over 10. 3 over 10. So this is how we do a tree diagram. Yes. So like they didn't state to draw a tree diagram. Tree diagram is just there to help you. You can even answer this question without even using a tree diagram. No? Right. Thank you.